Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from National Weather Services, and this is your weather hazard briefing for February 19th. Today we are looking at some patchy fog and some stratus, mainly across the upper Snake Plain, but also will be across the eastern and southeastern highlands, concentrating on bodies of water, lakes, and the Snake River. We will be under high pressure and will continue to be dry and through the weekend. Particularly through Saturday. We'll have a next system arriving on Sunday. We will be colder than normal today and get 10 to 15 degrees below normal, and will gradually moderate and warm up through the weekend. And our next system again is going to be on Sunday, starting in our western areas by the afternoon and then extend to our eastern areas by midnight. The snow level will be around 4,500 feet or so. There could be some drizzle concerns as well, freezing drizzle, but we'll explore that as we get a little bit closer. Again, we're under high pressure. You can see the big H there, and all the moisture is going up and over. There is a system here. Again, this high pressure is going to dominate and hold things off for the most part. We will, again, it will break down a little bit on Friday, and we'll just see some clouds come across the area, but we're not looking at any precip at this point with that. So here's the main impacts. Will be fog and stratus. Mainly it'll be this morning and Thursday morning, and to a lesser extent Friday and Saturday, although there will be some of those lingering areas where that will persist, mainly kind of the Bear Lake area and again those bodies of waters. The bigger impacts this week is going to be Sunday with that next system, and it's going to be kind of the west-northwest flow breaking down the high pressure, very similar to what we've seen almost all winter, and it will concentrate mainly on the eastern highlands of Victor and Driggs area, as well as the southeast highlands. Those will be the areas that get the most snow, but we'll also see the sawtooths will get some snow as well, and the rest of the area will just kind of a rain-snow mix and be fairly windy. Today we are looking, we will approach near freezing or slightly above freezing for the eastern Magic Valley. The rest of the areas you see will be quite cold, particularly those areas that have snow cover. And then you see our low temperatures tomorrow morning will mirror very similar to what we're seeing now currently across the area. It'll be very cold, well below normal. Again, that 10 to 15 degrees below normal. And some areas may be slightly near 20. And then our high temperatures for Thursday, you can see moderate slightly, but still quite cool, still below normal. And then it will just gradually moderate and warm up, and you see by Sunday morning we are still below freezing. And then as we go into Sunday ahead of that, we'll have a little southerly wind out ahead of that system. Again, the system will move in late in the afternoon across our western areas and move by midnight across our area into Monday morning, and you see the high temperatures there are well above freezing for the I-86 corridor, mainly a downslope area, and then you see Monday morning we are below freezing. Again, there will have some areas here as that system goes through that will have you'll have some warm overrunning, and you'll have some cold air down in some valleys, so there could be a chance again of some freezing drizzle, but again we'll look into that as we get closer. So just to recap, we are going to see some patchy fog and stratus this morning and also tomorrow morning, but it becomes to it lessens up each morning. It won't be quite as widespread, and then we are under high pressure, and that will continue through the weekend, but we will start out quite cold, well below normal, and we'll gradually moderate as that high pressure and cloud cover kind of comes over us, and so we'll see gradual warming, and then our next system arrives on Sunday, and that'll be a rain and snow mix, but very similar pattern of what we've seen almost all winter. That concludes the briefing. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thank you.